Have you ever been asked a yes/no question and weren't sure how much to say? Like, should you just say, yes, I am? Or give a full answer, like, yes, I am. I'm studying right now. Well, today I'll show you exactly how to answer yes/no questions in the present progressive, step by step, so you'll never be confused again. Hey everyone, I'm Amin, an English teacher, and today we're learning how to answer yes/no questions in the present progressive the right way. We'll go over short and long answers, how they are formed, and when to use them. Let's get started. All right, first, let's talk about short positive answers. These are used when you want to say, yes, this is happening. Let's break it down step by step. Step one, start with yes. The first word in a short positive answer is always yes, because we are confirming something. Step two, reverse the subject and the verb. When someone asks a yes/no question, the verb am, is, are comes first, and the subject I, you, he, she, it, and etc. comes after. For example, are you studying? The verb are comes before the subject you in the question. To make a short positive answer, we flip it back so the subject comes first. Yes, I am. Now, a very important note here is that when answering a question with you, we need to change it to I or we, depending on how many people we're asking that question. Because we are now talking about myself or ourselves. For example, if I ask you on the other side of the camera, are you studying? So you are only one person, right? So you would answer with I. Yes, I am. All right? And if you guys on the other side of the camera were like a bunch of people, you guys would answer with we. Yes, we are. And the same goes for the other way around. If you asked me, if I asked you guys, am I studying or am I speaking English right now? Then you guys on the other side of the camera would say, yes, that's right, you are. Because you guys are answering my question. And if there were like multiple people here and we guys asked you, are we speaking English with you? You would say, yes, you are again. All right, so if in this chart you see, if in the question we have you, then in the conversation, the answer would change to, the subject would change to I or we, depending on the number of people we're asking that question. And the same goes for the other way around, as I told you. That's it. Now let's see some examples of short positive answers. Are you studying? Yes, I am. Is she working today? Yes, she is. Are they coming to the party? Yes, they are. That's it. Just yes plus subject plus am, is, are. And you've got a short positive answer. Now, what if the answer is no? Let's go step by step. Step number one, start with no. We always start with no when the answer is negative. Step two, reverse the subject and the verb. Just like before, we need to flip the subject and the verb back to normal. And step three, add not to make it negative. We simply add not after the to be verb. For example, are you studying? The question is, are you studying? Are comes first in the question, right? So the answer is no, I am not. I comes first in the answer, then the word am, and then the word not comes afterward. And again, an important note here is that the same rule applies here with you changing to I or we in answers. For example, are you studying? No, I'm not. Are you studying? No, we are not. Am I late? No, you aren't. Now let's see some examples of short negative answers. Are you studying? No, I'm not. Is she working today? No, she is not, or she isn't. Are they coming to the party? No, they are not, or no, they are not, or no, they aren't. That's how we make a short negative answer. no, then the subject, and then am, is, are, and not. Or either you can contract these together. Now, let's talk about long positive answers. And remember, we must start first with the short answers first in academic answers. So step one, start with the short answers. First, you say yes, subject, am, is, are, just like before. Step number two, add extra detail. Then after the short answer is provided, you add more information to explain what's happening. And by that, I mean, just change the position of the subject and the verb and change it to the positive form and put it after the short positive answer. Like these examples. Are you studying? Yes, I am. I'm studying for example, my final exam. Or yes, I am. I'm studying. Is she working today? Yes, she is. Short positive answer. She's working today. Or she's working from home today. Are they coming to the party? Yes, they are. They're coming to the party. Or they're coming to the party with a few friends. Now, let's do the same thing with long negative answers. The first step is start with the short answer. Just like before, we always start with the short negative answer first. No, subject, am, is, are, and not. Step number two, reverse the position of the subject and the verb, which is am, is, are, with the subject, and then add a not or contract it with the to be verb, all right? Or contract the subject with the to be verbs, and then put the whole negated sentence after the short negative answer. For example, are you studying? No, I'm not. This is the short negative answer, right? I'm not studying. That's the long negative answer. Or is she working today? No, she is not. This is the short negative answer, as I have taught before. Now change the position of the subject and the to be verb. Is she is, and now put a not after is. So negate the whole positive answer, and then you will have a long negative answer. No, she is not. She is not working today. Or no, she is not. She's not working today. Or no, she is not. She isn't working today. And remember, you can add extra details after the academic long negative answer is provided. You can say, for example, no, she is not, or no, she isn't. She isn't working today. She's just relaxing. This is the extra information. All right? And that's it. Now you know how to answer yes, no questions in the present progressive tense, step by step. Now, here's a challenge for you. Drop a comment down below and answer this question. Are you learning English? Give me a short answer or a long answer. I'll check them out and reply. And also, if you found this lesson helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.